Everybody, a brand new week. I got a lot of things right here to share with you. We got many questions to answer. What are people saying is going to happen? What should we do right now based on the prices that we're seeing right now on the screen on Bitcoin? Why are we not rallying after a Bitcoin ETF? I'll get to that in just a second, everybody, because are we ready to swallow more blood on the streets? Right? And based on what I'm seeing from people that I follow for predictions, for analysis, I also have my own. They are saying red. They are saying 39,000, 38,000, 20% retracement, even from the price that we have right now, based on some of the previous, futures approvals, ETF or so approvals. And we're like, okay, then having cash in hand is crucial, everybody. By the end of this video, let me tell you what is going on. Not many crypto per se is rallying. There's not really much volume coming in to exploding the price. Obviously, that makes people stay away and wait for the next rally, for the next pump. And but the ones that are here with me, you guys are the ones who are gonna be seeing everything. This is basically the pre-Bitcoin halving, right? This is the couple of months, and what's going to happen in about 15 days. We talked about it yesterday in the live. Yes, the FOMC meeting. And remember, the inflation numbers weren't that good, so we could be expecting a raise in the interest rate hike. So, get ready. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. A little bit of a cold week, start of the week if you live in the US and you know what's going on. But hey, I live in Texas and it still hit us. But obviously up north, oh man, I wish you the best and stay warm. Now, we're seeing right now the price of Bitcoin at $42,000, the entire market at 1.68 trillion. We're seeing, whales preparing for the bull, buying altcoins, obviously putting themselves in a great position, right? Which makes total sense. Now take a look at this. Where's the extreme greed? No longer, right? Now we're in neutral, which means when it comes to neutral, what the market decides is where this is gonna go. Now we're also seeing, I mean, typical titles or images like the following: dump incoming, dump. So when it's dumping, you are not happy. Some of you, like me, are extremely happy because we can buy low, sell high. But because we've been buying, and buying, and obviously DCAing, and you're gonna sell more like the whales, Wall Street, and now upcoming whales and the BlackRock and everything. So what are we really? Why is that happening, right? Well, there's crypto town halls right now. There's commentary. There's all kinds of conversations on X, and that's fine, right? Because this is why we're here, understanding that there's a long process for Bitcoin to get back up because we have to go through all kinds of manipulations and retracements. We reached 49, everybody, which is a really nice, well, 48, 49, which is a really nice price. The problem is, on the 12, 11, some people were already saying, like this one, right? 39,000 coming today. I call it at 49, exactly the top. A Bitcoin crash is coming. So this doesn't mean that they were right because they knew what was going on. It's just that they're anticipating that eventually the ETF announcement is going to run out of steam and people will start selling. And hey, that was a correct prediction. Now, here's another one. Let me go ahead and show you what they're looking at: untapped liquidity and buying orders. So prepare for this, everybody. $48,000. But guess what? If you go ahead, like with me, and go back to these days, right? I mean, you're going to see how even earlier in 2023, we are reaching the 40s, everybody. We're reaching the 40s, and early, late 39,000s or so, that's when people might want to start buying again, which means, guys, you just have to take a look at the price. Not many people are really buying. There's really, the last time was pre-approval. Right now, it doesn't seem much that there's volume coming in our way. So that does not help in the case that anyone was just want to sell off massive Bitcoin, because that's what people are expecting. All right. Watch out for this. Prepare as we start this week, because we might have what I will see, which I haven't removed this arrow. I haven't removed this arrow. I left this arrow when we were crashing this way. So this was about 4 days ago or so. So we're looking at, let's go ahead and get our range. That's will be at like about 8% or so down, if in case what people are saying happens. Now, I have this one for you. What you're watching right now on the screen is 2017, 2021, 2021, and 2024. And it basically says that when it's launched or approved, we do have major retracement. In this case, 80%, 50%, 70%. And I think what people are looking at here, Rand, right? That's his post. There are downside for the Bitcoin, or will it bounce? Well, I like this, but obviously, like, I mean, if it was 50, 80, or 40% down, you're talking that we're going back to the mid 30s. Like, we're going back to mid or low 30s, like you're seeing right now on the screen, guys. $35,000 or so. So that is not bueno for a lot of us, right? Like, I mean, what if you bring the price of Bitcoin at that level? I can only imagine where Cronos, Shiba Inu, Terra Luna, Solana, FTX, and more, Ethereum, are going to be. And well, that's what we're talking in this video. We're kind of preparing, letting everybody know, give a little bit of a warning, um, just to have cash in hand, because we're not seeing positive momentum up for crypto as a whole. And that, if you're buying right now with a lot of money, you might get burned, and that will happen. Of course, if you're just looking at a long term position, you should be fine once we're back and once we're getting past Bitcoin halving, right? That's, I think, what it is. So there's a lot of different tokens, a lot of different people buying or so. Just reminded that, a lot of people are already calling a dump. And I was saying, I like $38,000 back in the day. I think it was right here, late, like early December, when we had this crash right here to 40,000. I was like, I really like 39, but we didn't. We rejected. So it's like we are down, but we still, let me go ahead and show you, like, we still have 40, 40, 40 and a half, 4,900, 41. So if you noticed, we have a trend, and this is super important. So pay attention to this. If we, right, let me go ahead and get, oh, well, I don't, I think this one. Yeah, there you go. This is what I wanted. So if we go ahead and get something like this, right? We're gonna be looking at. There's another one, but I need to find it. We have lower highs. These are called lower highs, right? So our lows are becoming higher and higher and higher. That's good. That's good. Problem comes when we stopped following that pattern and we break the trend, which means if Bitcoin, you see it coming this way, it already broke this one, this one, this one. So we're going more, more likely much lower. So get ready for that, everybody. You've been updated. That's what's going on so far. I'm okay. I'm feeling good. I've been buying down. I'm holding long. I'm staking. I'm making passive income like most of you. But it's going to be painful to watch. We'll be here for you. We'll be here. Like and subscribe. Take a look at the links down below. Join the community. And I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.